with the exercise. Now question number 12. Miscellaneous exercise question number 12. Find dy by dx if y is equal to 12, 1 minus cot x is equal to 10 t minus sin x. Sin t exact. So y is equal to 12, 1 minus cos t. Derivative with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to 12. 1 is 0. So derivative of cos is minus cos is sin t. So sin t. Okay, so you will get simplification dy by dx is 12 minus 12 cos sin t. X is equal to 10 t minus sin t. X is equal to 10 t minus sin t. So if you take derivative, then you will get 10 1 minus cot t. Over. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dy by dxt. If you substitute the value, okay, minus what? Minus 12 sin t upon 10 in the bracket 1 minus cos t. Okay, if you simplify it, you will get dy by dx as minus 6 upon 5 cot t by 2. Is it? Okay, if you expand sin t as t by 2 form, and this also 1 minus cos t also t by 2 form, then you will get sin t is equal to 2 sin t by 2 into cos t by 2 upon 2 sin square t by 2. If you simplify, you will get minus 6 5 cot t by 2. Is it? Okay. Y is equal to sin inverse plus sin inverse 1 root 1 minus x square. Derivative with respect to t. dy by dx is equal to sin inverse x is equal to 1 minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square plus sin inverse this, it is same. Okay, 1 minus this whole bracket will come, so it is root 1 minus x square whole square into, we have to take the derivative of root 1 minus x square, root 1 minus x square. Is it? So dy by dx is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus x square plus, if you multiply it here, you take the derivative of this, it will be minus 2x. Got it? Okay. First, according to the power means it is half root 1 minus x square into, again you have to take the derivative of minus 2x, derivative of minus x square. Derivative of minus x square is minus 2x. So this will simplify. Okay, 2 and 2 will cut, x into x. Is it? X is also here. If we simplify it, open the bracket here, you'll get 1 minus, what is here, x. Is it? So it will be multiplied here and you will get it, and simplify it, you will get this one and this one. If you simplify, you will get dy by dx is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus x square minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square. If you cancel it, it will be equal to 0. X is equal to, if x root 1 minus 1 plus y root 1 plus x is equal to 0, then prove that dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole square. Okay, you take this y and bring it on the other sides. So like this, let it y equal to 0. Got it? Okay, it is equal to 0 because it is equal to 0. So equate it is equal to 0. Okay, then bring on that side and squaring on both the sides. So it will be simple. X square, root will vanish, then minus y, so it is y square and 1 plus x. So simplify it, bring x square on one side. Okay, x y square minus xy. So x minus y, x plus y, this you will take common xy. If you take xy common, then okay, here y minus x, here x minus y. So you can invert this by changing the sign. Okay, then it will become x minus y. X minus y will cancel out. You will get x plus y. X plus y is equal to minus xy. Okay, is it? If you multiply it, then what we get, it is xy. Okay, xy here, open the bracket, so y plus y, okay, is equal to minus x. I common, listen, okay, what you have to do is here open this bracket and bring xy on side and y on other side, x on other side, xy with y we have to take. Okay, so xy, it will come on this side, so it will become xy, okay, plus xy, and let it be y remain on that side, put x on, minus x on other sides. So what we will get common, y common, so x plus 1 is equal to x. Why we are doing so? Because we want the answer in that form. Got it? So y, we want y. Okay, y is equal to minus x upon, that we have to prove, 1 minus x. Okay, y is equal to minus x upon 1 plus x. So now what we want to prove is that again we have to take derivative of y, therefore we made y as a subject of formula. I can take also x plus on this side, y on that side, but we want y, therefore y is taken common, so we can easily take dy by dx, and therefore y made as a subject of formula. Got it? Now it is a u into v form, u upon v form. Got it? U into u upon v form. Derivative with respect to dy by dx is equal to x plus 1 whole square. X square will go in constant, we have to take the derivative of minus x. Minus x will remain constant, and we have to take derivative of x plus 1. Is it? Okay. So dy by dx is equal to minus, taken common, then we have to take the derivative of x is 1, so x plus 1. X is constant, and derivative of x plus 1. X plus 1 is, it is x is 1 and plus 1 is 0, so it is remain as 1, so it will remain as x. If you open the bracket, then minus sign, so okay, minus into minus plus x, minus y, minus x, is it? Minus x, is it? First I multiply, open the bracket, so minus into minus plus become plus, this will open as minus x, this will open as minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 cancel out, you will get dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon x plus x minus 1 whole square.